Namaskar, this is Dr. Ajay Bhambi, and today we are going to analyze the horoscope of two candidates, Donald Trump and Joe Biden, who is going to win president election, which is going to take place early next month. Before I discuss these horoscopes, America is a very powerful democracy throughout the world. We India are maybe the largest democracy of the world, but America is the most powerful democracy of the world. To my understanding, democracy came into existence in last century. The main purpose was the entire people of the world were fed up with monarchy and the kingdom of different countries and their treatment towards the people. So, intellectual people, knowledgeable people thought of we should have a different arrangement, and this is how democracy, socialism, communism spread it throughout the world. A country is powerful, can be powerful because of few things. Its military power should be on the top of the world, and America fulfill this first condition. Secondly, a country should be well developed in all respects. You talk of science, you talk of space, you talk of technology. America has no parallel. There are many countries, they are also very powerful, but the one thing which makes America apart from all the world is its dollar, the power of money. So, in whichever country you go, if you have dollar in your pocket, then you are very safe in that country. That is the status America enjoys. That is why I think it's powerful. And they also say the economics moves around money. So, America is powerful despite of all ups and downs because its dollar has never lost its value. Let us discuss the horoscope of these two gentlemen, Donald Trump and Joe Biden. One thing I would also like to add, in last century it was thought that democracy is the best way to live in this world, and if two contestants are fighting against each other, then whosoever wins, that's his right, and other person feels quite contented and happy. But that initial thought or whatever is no longer exist anywhere in the world. It's not a fight between two candidates. It's a fight between two enemies. Nobody think other contender, my opposite candidate is just an opposite candidate, but it is considered he is enemy, and other person also reciprocate the same way. So I think the purpose of democracy has reduced drastically. Okay, I have got the horoscope of both these gentlemen. Let's discuss Trump's horoscope. We also putting up there. It's Leo ascendant, Leo Lagna, and Mars is placed in the Lagna. It is said in text, classic text of astrology, Mars is the great significator for Leo Lagna. If Mars is well placed in the Leo Lagna, being the significator, it can do wonders. If we look back at the life of Donald Trump, he succeeded as a young man, as a businessman, in every field, in whichever field he entered in this life, he met with great success. In the beginning, politics was not his interest, but when he entered into it in last election, the whole world thought Hillary Clinton is the natural choice and she is going to win, but you know what happened. So Mars in the Lagna, being a significator for Leo ascendant, does wonders. And secondly, Lord of Lagna, Sun, is placed in the 10th house. That's very good. Rahu is also placed in the 10th house. Moon and Ketu are placed in the 4th house. We are placing Kundali over there also. And Jupiter is in the 2nd house. Jupiter is the Karaka of money and the kind of affluence Donald Trump enjoys or enjoyed in his life, that is unparalleled to many people. Saturn and Venus are placed in the 12th house. Venus is very good in the 12th house. It gives you all kind of comfort, enjoyment, all sort of, you imagine and you are getting it. Mercury is good in the 11th house. This is the situation. And now we talk of Joe Biden. Some people call him Biden. I think I prefer to call him Biden. So Biden's Lagna is Scorpio and Sun is placed there. Sun is the Lord of 10th house. Placed in the Lagna along with Venus is also makes the Lagna ascendant very strong. Although the Lord of Scorpio Lagna, Mars, is not well placed in the 12th house along with Mercury. But it has been compensated by Jupiter's placement in the 9th house, which you can see there. So Jupiter is forming a great trine with Sun, who is placed in the Lagna. So that is also a very good sign. Saturn has occupied the 7th house, that's good. Moon is placed in the 6th house. So these are the planetary position of both the gentlemen. Right now, in Trump's chart, major dasha of Jupiter, who is placed in the 2nd house, Saturn, who has occupied 12th house, and on 27th of October 2020, Rahu's sub-period will begin, and that will last till March next year. Now, let's see what is the present situation in Biden's chart. In his chart, Jupiter's dasha is there, period is there, and Rahu are in operation till 26th October 2020, and then Jupiter will begin from 26th October this year till early next year. So if I compare these two charts, so to begin with, I would like to say both of the charts are equally placed. It is very difficult to find out which chart is powerful. Both charts have some plus point and equally minus points. So they are more or less, equally placed. Sometimes this goes up, sometimes other goes up. So like that, they are oscillating, or that sort of situation. That's exactly is happening in America. If I go more deep, I will not discuss our planetary positions. So I think Biden has an edge over Trump. So my understanding is Biden is going to win, but it won't be a landslide victory, it won't be a great victory, and before the victory happens, there will be many confusions. This election is full of confusions and all sort of mud people are throwing at each other. So there is no limit. So all limit has been crossed. So it's a different kind of democracy which new generation is going to see in coming years. But it's going to be very, very tough election. I think I read somewhere where Trump was saying, I will not transfer the power and I will not do this and I will not do that. So I think those sort of things can happen. So there may be lot of guidance or knowledge or support comes from outside this contest. That is also going to happen. But if I talk of results, so I think Joe Biden has a great chance of becoming the next president of America. नमस्कार.
एस्ट्रोलॉजी की सटीक जानकारी के लिए विश्वविख्यात एस्ट्रोलॉजर अजय भांबी के YouTube चैनल ABC चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करें। लेटेस्ट अपडेट के लिए बेल के बटन पर जरूर क्लिक करें।